Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. For this next trick, we are going to take a look at a strategy to help kids open bottle caps, kids with low hand strength. So all you need is some laundry detergent sheets like this bounce sheet and of course your bottle cap. So you're just going to take out a fabric softener sheet, and these are terrific because they're really tacky. So you use this to grip on and open the bottle. What's great is you can carry them around in your purse. You can of course use them for your laundry afterwards, and this is a very inexpensive way to make bottle opening easy and portable, so you don't have to carry around those rubber bottle opener types of devices, which also could be easily lost.